In life we learn it takes some time to build your dreams one step at a time. Like a little bird building its nest, each day it works giving its best. Slow and steady we'll reach our goal, like the bird and the bee with heart and soul. One brick at a time it will make our way towards success day by day. Like a bee gathering sweet honey, we work with care, no need to hurry. Brick by brick and day by day, we'll make our dreams come true in every way. Don't rush, my friend, take it slow. Success will come, let your dreams grow. With patience and love you will see you can be all that you want to be. So remember the bird and the busy bee, they teach us to be all that we can be. Step by step we'll reach the sky, hope and courage it will learn to fly.